Information brochures are the gateway to effective marketing practices. They might include basic info and some visual elements, but they generate great value in building a connection with your customers. You might use them to convey your brand vision or simply wants to display the prices. You can consider weaving a story over them and enhance your marketing efforts. Thus, designing an effective brochure is crucial. Before you dive into creating a brochure for your businesses, you need to know some of its basic elements. Logo. Logos with the highest resolution version comes out well and are noticeable. Images. Images are engaging. Select few high-quality photos of your products and services. You can also consider using a photo of yourself and your team. Copy. Text. A copy includes a message that you want to put out. Use a well-crafted message with other necessary information. A copy should include the following essential elements. About us, intro. A company brochure is a right place to convey who you are and what you are offering. You may offer quality products or personal service. Focus on one or two critical messages and draft an intro accordingly. Information about a product, service. Don't include information about your product or service in the intro itself. Write separately on it to make it easier to scan and digest. Contact info. Help customers find you. Add your contact details, including working hours. Brochure designing in 4 easy steps. Once you are ready with a draft copy, logo, and images, you can now take up the exciting task, i.e. brochure designing. Following are the 4 easy brochure design ideas that help you with the designing aspect of brochures. 1. Select the format. Your brochure comes in 2 formats, either bifold or trifold. Look at your content and decide accordingly. If you are willing to include more prominent images in your brochure, biofold will work for you. If you want to present more detailed information, then trifold might offer enough space to include that. You can visualize the format beforehand to get a clear idea about the right kind of format. Take a paper and roughly fold it in one of these 2 formats. Now jot down what you would prefer to add to each panel. 2. Choose a design template. You can choose a suitable design template from a range of professional brochure templates available. Select a design template by filtering it according to your industry standards. Take colors of your choice and upload your logo to decide on a matching color palette. Try to include 1 or 2 primary colors to give a clean look to your brochure. 3. Layout and editing. Once you are prepared with your template, start filling it with the content and edit it as you go. Break up the body of text by giving necessary headings. Don't use too many fonts and stick to just 1 or 2. It will offer required uniformity and make it easier to read. Now experiment with different layout options and decide on the right one. 4. Select your paper and finish. If you are satisfied with the layout, go ahead and select the paper stock that suits the style of your brochure. Ensure that menus appear on sturdy paper as they are supposed to be used frequently. Conclusion. Brochures are one of the most effective marketing materials that you need to take proper care of their design. They can be displayed to attract and engage customers. Thus, its designing aspect becomes of utmost importance. Follow the 4 easy brochure design tips described in this video and come up with an attractive and versatile brochure. It is both gratifying and rewarding and adds value to your brand image. A Bill Must production.